Okay, guys, I wanted to quickly go over what we went over yesterday. So yesterday we were looking at EA and GA being the trades for the sell, right? EA was the weekly, there was a weekly bearish order block, okay? And at the time we spoke, it was before market open. So this was the last candle here, right? So I'm just going to go down to the 1 hour. We did mention that price was going to possibly pull back into this key level, which it did, and then it sold down. So it did sell down for about, was that 50, 60 pips, 60 pips. But if you hopped on the midnight call with us, we marked up the Sunday open, Monday open candle, right? So during that session at midnight, this was the Sunday open, this was the Monday open. Okay. Price closed above the Sunday, Monday open. So we were expecting a buy at that point. Like we were expecting a sell, which it did so. So to these lows, right? And then price tapped into the zone, gave a bullish order block. The bullish order block, if we knew we were expecting buys, the bullish order block was your sign, okay? So with that being said, you put that below your zone, that's 17 pips. You know I'm gonna round it up to 20. And this is the 50% 618 zone, the golden zone here. So that is where I would be expecting price to go to, of course, unless price starts to break these highs. But for right now, we're in the weekly order block for now. Okay. So I just wanted to record that. And then for GA, we price was around here before the market opened. When we talked about it, we said that price is going to tap into the key level, and our TP was set at the next key level, which is here. Again, at midnight. Well, the midnight one didn't give me the midnight for GA did not give buys. It gave sells. So I was even more confident that this was going. I was even more confident that this was probably going to sell definitely to these lows, right? So price has broken this structure to this zone. It's pulled back. I'm still confident that it's going to continue selling down to the next key level. So I wanted to go over, I know we talked about GN on the call, with the market, with the Sunday, Monday open, price was below. So we're definitely looking for price to continue selling down. And this would be to where I would sell it to. Okay. It was I think it was initially 105 pips. Gold, we did the Sunday, Monday open. Price bought above. It has pulled back to the order block. So I'm looking for, I'm looking to, I'm already in this one. I'm looking for my second entry, possibly at this 15-minute order block. Okay. Possibly to get in for the buy at this 15-minute order block. So that is where we are with gold. For 30, I don't know did I go over 30? I don't think I went over 30, but I'm looking for buys for 30. So I'm actually looking for price to, it can either break above here now or if price breaks above there, I'll buy. Okay. However, if I get a push down, and I'm gonna remove these. I'm expecting buys. That's really what I'm expecting. Um, but price is at my zone. So I'm either looking for price to come up here and then break these low, violate this order block here. Then I might consider to sell. Or I'm looking for price to break above to keep buying. Okay. Because right now it's at the zone. So it's either going to range back and forth or it's going to break somewhere. So that is all I wanted to, that was a follow-up on yesterday's call. And if you caught last night's midnight call, I think we were on there for about 2 hours, maybe even 3 hours. I don't know what time we went to bed this morning. But that was it. I just wanted to do a follow-up. Thanks. Bye.